Hello guys, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to another amazing recipe of potato dish. On today's video, I'm going to take you through step by step how to make this delicious Lyonnaise potatoes. So if you're looking for a quick fix side dish for breakfast other than our normal mandazi or bread, then you should try out this recipe. It's so simple and very easy to make. Anybody can make it at home. Well, if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and watch the video up to the end. To make the Lyonnaise potatoes, you need to have some potatoes. Then you'll start by peeling off the potatoes. Some people prefer them with peels on, so if you like them, you can as well leave the peels. I'm peeling mine. And the key ingredient here is potatoes and some onions. Lyonnaise potatoes is a French cuisine hailing from the city of Lyon. The term Lyonnaise signifies a dish prepared and garnished with some caramelized onions. Once done, clear the surface and discard the peels. Then take each of the potato and slice them into a medium size. Make sure they are of the same size so that when frying, they will cook at the same time. And this is the size I'm going for. Guys, I'm glad to be with you here again. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, feel welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing for more amazing recipes like this. Like and watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. Once done, put them into a bowl with the clean water. Then wash your potatoes several times until the water runs clear to remove the excess starch. You see the water is a little bit cloudy, so discard that water and put a new water. Now my potato is well clean. Once done with the cleaning, I'm going to transfer my potatoes into a sufuria filled with water. I love my potatoes crispy, so I'm going to blanch them first. The secret of crispiness is blanching. Season it with salt and some vinegar. Then take it to your stove. Let it sit there for about 5 minutes. Once the water started boiling, just take off your potatoes. We are just blanching it, we're not cooking it. Take it out and drain the hot water. Then transfer your potatoes on a kitchen towel. Spread them nicely so that they can cool and also to remove the excess moisture. If you are looking for a crispy potatoes, let them cool completely before frying. While waiting for the potatoes to cool down, I'm going to prep my onions to garnish my Lyonnaise potatoes. Like I mentioned earlier there, that onion is a key ingredient when it comes to Lyonnaise potatoes. If you try this recipe without caramelized onion, that is not Lyonnaise potatoes. That can only be their cousin marubajia or crisps. Thinly slice your onions into your desired shape. I will go for this ring shape. Once done, separate them. Next, I'm going to caramelize my onions in a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and let it warm a little. Then go in with your sliced onions. Once the oil has come of a good temperature, not too hot, we don't want the onions to burn down. We're just going to saute it for some 3 minutes. Stir it in occasionally to saute well. Once the onion has sweat, season it with some salt and soy sauce. The soy sauce will add a very nice flavor and color into our onions. Stir it in, and once it has softened up and it has nicely caramelized, take it out and let's fry our potatoes. My potatoes has cooled down completely, so in a saucepan, add some vegetable oil. Heat your oil on a high temperature and on a high flame. Once the oil is ready, carefully drop your potatoes in a hot oil. Fry your potatoes on a high flame as you flip them continuously. Keep checking them from time to time until they are nicely crispened up. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me that thumbs up. And if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing if you haven't. For more amazing recipes like this, hit the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to get notified. Thank you. My potatoes are ready. It has crisped up so well, so I'm just going to remove it from the oil and make sure you've shaken off the oil. Then take it to your caramelized onion. Sprinkle some black pepper, and this is optional. If you don't like the pepper, you can just leave it. Then give it a good mix for the onions and the black pepper to mix well. And my Lyonnaise potatoes are ready. I'm just going to garnish it with some coriander and give it a good mix. My Lyonnaise potatoes is looking lovely and equally smelling heavenly here. So just serve it while still hot and enjoy it. And they are best served over breakfast, brunch, or even lunchtime. I'm enjoying mine with some homemade chutney and, of course, some salad there. And I really had fun. So if you want to try it, give it a try. If you try, don't forget to bring back your feedback. Oops, I forgot to show you. I had some eggs as well, and I really enjoyed. It was so nice. Guys, I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and you find this content useful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.